Respected saints, say with one loving voice, than Nirankari. Saints, a beautiful state of happiness, bliss, and gratitude. Saints, we are experiencing so much of peace and stability. Saints, we are able to experience this only because we are connected with the true Master, Nirankar. Saints, we have to live each moment with a sense of gratitude for this beautiful life. We should not complain to God about anything because whatever God has given us, it is given very thoughtfully and we have to make the best use of it. Saints, some have been blessed with the palaces, while others have been given huts. But whatever God has given us, it is in the best interest of each person. Saints, we have to make the best use of it. Saints, these worldly possessions are for the normal use in life, but the real wealth of life is explained in a couplet of Saint Mirabai. Vastu amolak di mere Satguru, कर कृपा अपनायो कि मैंने राम रतन धन पायो. Saints, the invaluable gift my Sadguru so graciously gave me and benevolently accepted me. Saints, the true wealth is in his remembrance. The one who is rich in his name is called a true saint, while the rest of the people are simply breathing, not living. Saints, what is the first thing that comes into your mind when you wake up? Is it complaining about the things you don't have? Or is it just rushing to the work saying, I have to do this, I have to do that? Instead, wake up with the attitude of gratitude. When you inculcate the attitude of gratitude in your life seems to be so joyous for you and everyone around you. Saints, the more and more thankful we are, we get more and more opportunities to be thankful. Saints, when everything is surrendered to Nirankar, then no negative thoughts come in our mind. And even if God takes away what He has given to us, there is no adverse impact on us. There's only and only Shukrana for everything. As saints have explained, when you count your blessings, you push yourself to see a bigger and brighter picture of your life. And so it becomes easy to stay humble and grateful. Saints, it's just like when you see a small stain on a piece of cloth and you do not like it. But when you zoom out of it, you see the cloth as a bigger size. So this black dot seems to be so smaller and even disappears most of the times. So saints, any kind of disability, mishappening, weakness, or misfortune in our life can lead us to be ungrateful. But the moment we concentrate to choose, overlook on these negative thoughts and concentrate our mind and energy on thanking the Nirankar for blessing us with many other things which we might have not been deserved. This change in the perspective leads to happiness and a grateful life. Saints, Dasi recently read a quote by Sharon Jays. Gratitude is the antibiotic of the soul to heal a variety of world ills. True enough, man has become engrossed and habitual of living with the negative triads of ego, jealousy, discrimination, hatred, and therefore bears the discomfort of the lack of peace of mind. Saints, gratitude is the perfect antidote to these negative emotions because it emerges out of a powerful connection and the positive energy in Nirankar. Saints, the present Sadguru has once again highlighted the journey that every individual must undertake the journey from being a negative, complaining, small-minded, ungrateful person to a mindful, happy, optimistic, positive, and surrendered, enlightened being. Thankfulness should be a way of life naturally flowing through our heart and speech. Remember, gratitude is riches, while complaining attitude spells poverty. Gratitude is the attitude that sets the latitude of our life. Saints, gratitude helps to unlock the fullness of life. It helps to convert what we have into enough and into even more. It helps to convert denials into acceptance, chaos into order, and confusion into clarity. It also helps to convert a meal into a feast, a stranger into a friend, and a house into a home. Gratitude makes the perfect sense of the past, bringing peace for today. A stranger into a friend and a house into a home. Gratitude makes the perfect sense of the past, bringing peace for today and creating a better vision for tomorrow. So, Saints, let us all pray in the holy feet of Sadguru Mata Sudhiksha Ji Maharaj to bless us with the attitude of gratitude so that we may accomplish the true meaning of this precious life. आओ साथ संगत जी, हरदेव वाणी का भी शब्द आता है, शुक्र किए जा तू मालिक का, शुक्राना ही भक्ति है, शिकवे गिले लब पर ना लाना ही भक्ति है। आओ साथ संगत जी, हम अपनी औकात और गुरु की सौगात कभी ना भूले। जितना दिया है बहुत कुछ दिया है, पल पल दाता आप जी का शुक्रिया है। सदगुरु माता जी, हर पल का शुक्राना, हर श्वास का शुक्राना, अंग संग रहने का शुक्राना, सिर पर हाथ रखने का शुक्राना, हाथ थामे रखने का शुक्राना, हर सुख का शुक्राना, हर दुख से बचाने का शुक्राना, आप जी के हर रहमो करम का शुक्राना। शुक्रिया माता जी। Thank you माता जी for everything. Saints, say with love, दान निरंकार जी।
माता जी के वीडियो देखने करे सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूले। महापुरुषों धन्यवाद जी।